Hello everyone, Dr. Owens, Chiropractic of Bellevue. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about personal injury and specifically why it's important to get yourself checked. Everyone's very concerned about getting their car fixed after an accident, and rightly so, it's your transportation, but your body is also your transportation. Let's just take a typical whiplash or flexion extension injury. The head will, if you're impacted from behind, will ramp up, stretch out, extend backwards over the headrest, and then slam forward. If your airbag is there, great. Sometimes the airbag doesn't go off or you don't have one. Those motions create tearing and injury. Insurance statistics will tell you that 90% of people will have pain up to 1 year after an accident. In other words, they may not feel anything for the first 8 weeks, 10 weeks, 3 months, 6 months, and then suddenly start having some mysterious. I want to show you this chart really quick. That's the hidden injury I'm talking about, by the way. So the injury occurs, and you may not. Sometimes you've heard of a sprained ankle. Let's say you've all maybe played basketball, rolled your ankle. What tears is a ligament. Well, when a ligament in the ankle tears, it does take a while to heal. When a ligament in the neck tears, because it's very close to things like nerves, the spine, the spinal cord, it can do a lot more damage and create a lot more instability. Your head weighs 12 pounds, 8 to 12 pounds, almost like a bowling ball. It has to be supported by this. When the head, that bowling ball, gets thrown forward in a car accident, ligaments tear. Ligaments can take up to 44 weeks to heal completely because they're very low blood supply. So that's one of the hidden injuries. The other one, which occurs at a very, very small level, is that the nerves inside, the little nerve endings inside of these tissues that are torn, muscle tear there, ligament tear there, spinal cord injury there, but the little nerves inside that tell us where our body is, those can become injured. Specializing in personal injury for over 15 years, I can tell you these things create big problems, and they need very, very, very accurate management. When you're in an accident, you need to get some x-rays to find out if you've got some of these ligament tears, these muscle tears, and if you do, they need to be handled, and they're covered by your car accident insurance at the time. If you wait a year and you settle out prematurely, you won't get the coverage that you should have gotten. So pay attention to yourself. Get yourself and your car fixed and checked after an injury, and then you won't be having pain from those hidden injuries a year later. All right, I'm Dr. Owens, and we'll see you